Sorry. Hey guys, today me and my friend are going to make a bird's nest. First, we gotta get a lot of sticks.
BFF.
Yeah.
Okay, me and my friends got our sticks. Grab some little sticks, but she's still finding more sticks.
Yes. Okay. So guys, we got our sticks. My friend is just grabbing the spoon because we need spoons too. She'll be right back.
I got the spoon, she got more sticks. But we're gonna share the sticks. Here, talk.
I got some dirt too, and some rocks. We're not in the forest. It's just a secret place in my backyard. Okay.
Get some leaves and some dirt.
Got the leaves. Time to get the dirt.
Get a dirt and bag so you can put the dirt in the bag.
We're going to build it in part 2. Go check it out in our next video.
Down below.